It's time to talk about week 5. The question this week is, what words or phrases are ambiguous? Part of understanding an argument is knowing the definitions of words and determining what meaning the author is assuming in the argument. A word or phrase is not ambiguous just because you don't know what it means. Ambiguity is more about different meanings for the same word or phrase. Ambiguity varies greatly in its importance. The most important ambiguities, and the ones I want you to focus on, are those that influence one's acceptance or rejection of the reasoning. Thus, the important ambiguities will be terms or phrases embedded in the reasoning structure. When you identify an important ambiguity, you need to provide a reason why the word or phrase is ambiguous. Otherwise, I will have no basis for assessing your analysis. It's hard to identify ambiguity without knowing the dictionary definition of a word first. The best suggestion I can offer for improving your vocabulary is to read often and widely. Take advantage of how easy the internet makes it to find out the definition of a word. When I work with students on their research assignments at the reference desk, I often need to look up a word or two in order to understand their topic so I can figure out how best to help them. This week on the research side, we're focusing on types of sources, especially scholarly sources. Scholarly articles are the most common source type you'll use in college to write research papers. Week 5 is a discussion week. Be sure to review the discussion guide and rubric. The best way to score more points during discussion weeks is to post early in the week and contribute to discussion in a way that inspires a conversation to start. In the Week 5 assignment, you'll practice identifying reasons in a web article. You'll also demonstrate your ability to identify ambiguous words and phrases in a couple of passages. In the last part of the assignment, you'll answer some questions about the structure of scholarly articles. The unresearched essay is due this week as well. It's key you pick a topic of interest to you because you'll continue with this topic for the next 2 phases of the project. And that's all I have for this week.